Yes.
Hi everybody, I'm Lolo.
And I'm Lexi, and today you're getting ready with us.
Tonight we are so excited. We're going to Bruno Mars concert for New Year's Eve.
A gift which I surprised her with. She had no idea.
Yes.
Okay, to be honest, I also had no idea. But through the power of Instagram, I was able to get us a free invite to a suite and to front row tickets.
So yeah, we're gonna get beat to the nines for Bruno, and yeah, just keep on watching.
Okay.
Well, this morning we finished our vision boards for 2019. I don't know, I guess if you guys want to see it later I can show you, but...
Are you supposed to show your vision boards, or are you supposed to keep them private?
I think you're supposed to keep them private, but I think they're supposed to be private.
So then you're just going to show all your followers?
Yeah, I'm not going to show you guys.
Never mind.
Never mind. But some goals I have for 2019 is to graduate from college and to hopefully start some sort of working or just like start my career. So my vision board is all about like positive affirmations and
yeah,
like that.
Same, like mine, because I don't really believe in resolutions, because as much as I would love to believe that, tomorrow I'm not going to be a different person. Like I'm not going to suddenly be perfect with my diet or perfect at work or, you know, not have a dramatic personality. Like none of those things are just going to magically happen tomorrow.
Yeah.
But what I can focus on is just doing things every day, all year, all the time, that generally improve my overall life.
Mm-hmm.
And so I think that that's what my vision board's about. It's about the things that I see for myself in the future, the things I want to be working toward, and, you know, like your hopes and dreams and all that stuff.
That sounds very lovely.
Yeah. I haven't really done like a full look in a while, I feel like.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm like, is that Lauren and I do our makeup in the complete opposite order. I mean, I think you'll notice, like, obviously if you watch videos, that everybody kind of does theirs a little bit different.
Mm-hmm.
So this is how I do mine. She does hers that way. We have had many arguments about what's correct.
Yeah.
But at the end of the day, as long as you're fleeky, it doesn't really matter how you got there.
Right.
In my opinion. So yes, this is how I do it.
You know, everyone has their own methods, and I don't know what I'm trying to say.
I agree.
Everyone has their own methods, and I really don't believe there's one right way to do it. I mean, I think you can take tips and tricks from like other people, or like watching other videos and stuff, but you don't have to follow everything they do to a T.
No, and you should experiment and figure out like what really works for you.
Yeah. But I learned how to do makeup from this one over here. She used to do all my makeup when I had like dance competitions and stuff. We had to be in full glam. Like I was like 12, had to be like full glam, lashes and everything. So Alexis would do my makeup for me before all my shows, and then I would watch her in the mirror, and then eventually I started doing it on my own using her techniques, and then I found my own, and now we share tips and tricks all the time.
And it's funny because she learned from me, but now I learn stuff from her too. Or sometimes I'll have her do my makeup. I mean, to be clear, most of the time when she does my makeup, I don't like it at the end. However, on our last trip, I did like it at the end.
Yeah.
I loved it, actually. I didn't even touch it. Normally, I touch it. Okay, so just to be clear, I'm going to be going back and forth through a few palettes. So I've got, excuse me, that was LaCroix. I've got the Anastasia Prism palette, Anastasia Soft Glam. I've got the Morphe.
Are you done with your face?
No, it's going, I don't know what this is called. I couldn't imagine wearing that for hours.
Can I try your first Sally drops? Oops.
If you don't fuck my shit up, oops. Shut up.
I'm gonna get you blocked if I can. But also one of my goals for 2019 is to be on here a lot more. So I'm gonna be posting at least once a week.
Whoa.
And hopefully more than that. But yeah, I kind of put YouTube on the back burner for a little while because school was like kicking my butt and there was a lot of things going on, but I only have one semester left if y'all care about that kind of deal.
Yeah,
You just started.
I'm a new-tuber, which means new to YouTube. Well, I have made YouTube videos in the past and then either put them up and take them down or never edit them or, you know, etc. So I finally have 2 videos out. Go check them out. Hopefully, well, you could be on my channel right now, but if you're not, yeah, you need to like plug me. So come check it out. I do a lot of advice videos. It's a full lifestyle channel. So anything lifestyle you can expect to see there. Right now there's only advice videos on there, but well, this will be on there. This is a lifestyle video.
Yeah.
So
in and blend out with the microfiber makeup sponge from Juno and Company. And if you guys haven't tried out these sponges yet, they're amazing. Also, all the Juno & Co products are really nice. I've already done a couple of reviews on my channel. But yeah, if you haven't got your hands on one of these yet, they're only $4. And then if you want to use my discount code LOLO, then it's even cheaper. And you'll help a girl out for her New Year's, so.
yeah, she didn't give me one. I had to buy it online and use her code. And I almost wanted to just use somebody else's code just to be a brat.
Yeah, and then I gave my mom a sponge. I didn't give her a sponge for Christmas.
Yeah, isn't that jacked up? Because my other one's all janked, but it was really nice. I do love it. I actually am going to order another one. But I thought, because somebody got a bunch of them one time and she said I was going to get one. But did I?
I think I gave you one.
No, you didn't. You
Yes,
said
I
you were
did.
going to. I never received. Trust, I remember. Can you stop doing that for 1 second?
Mm-hmm. Treasure! Mm-mm. That is what you are.
Hey. Yeah, they're gonna kick us out.
Yeah.
Where in the hell is my beauty blender? Oh.
Overheated again. So while we were waiting for it to cool, what did you do?
I finished blending out my face. I did a little bit of baking. I know many people don't subscribe to baking. I do. I have oily skin and I do notice the difference if I bake for a little bit and if I don't bake. And normally I would bake longer, but we have to show you guys the finished look because I would usually bake throughout while I'm doing my hair and dust it all off right before I go and then finish with my highlight and things. So anyways, I baked, I dusted, I started my contour, and then obviously I have lashes on now. Oh, and I did my eyebrows.
Yeah, I finished my brows. I didn't really do much else.
Goo Banana Boy with the highlight.
For lips, I will be using the Huda Beauty.
Copy.
This little set. I got this for Christmas. Yay!
I got the same set for Christmas. Yay! I didn't bring the lip, but I didn't bring the little container, which is the cutest thing, but I did bring the same set.
So inside comes a lip liner and then a liquid matte and a strobe lip. What color are these?
Trophy wife.
Are you almost done, you chaka? This is our finished face. We still have hair and our wardrobe to show you, but our hair is going to be in another video because one is already long enough. So we'll be right back with our hair all done and slayed. See you in a second.
Well, we hope it's going to be slayed. We'll see.
Yeah, see you in a second. Bye.
Fly, fly, Scoochie, huh? Woo. I drink till I'm drunk, smoke till I'm high, castle on the hill, wake up in the sky. You can't tell me I ain't fly. You can't tell me I ain't fly. I know I'm super fly, I know I'm super fly. The ladies love luxury, that's why they all fuck with me. Out here with the moves, like I invented smooth. You can't tell me I ain't fly. You can't tell me I ain't fly. I know I'm super fly, I know I'm super fly.
We're back.
Hello.
And we're done with our hair and our makeup and our outfits. I just filmed me putting this on. So
Look
this
how
will
tall
be...
I am out of frame because I have my heels on.
Oh.
I'll just go like this.
But yeah, I just filmed the tutorial on how I put this pony on and slick my hair down. So if you want to see that video, it's coming up soon. So stay tuned for that.
I did not, in fact, film myself doing my hair because I didn't feel like it and I was in a rush. But if you want to see one, let us know in the comments and I will show you how I get this look. Although, I mean, I guess whoever's watching this video, I have a very new look now because I am very blonde. So, yeah.
We both decided to go blonde for the new year, so yeah. Thanks so much for watching. We'll insert some clips from the concert too if you want to see that. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff.
And if you're already liking, comment, and subscribing whatever channel you're on now, go to the opposite channel. We'll put them all there for you to click and get to. Then go like, comment, and subscribe on that other one too. Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!